Alright, before I start this thing up, I'm going to put you guys down on the ground here for a nice straight piped cold start. In no way sponsored whatsoever, but I'm going to be using Shine Armor Foam Cannon Power Soap to wash the car here. I used this for the first time when we were cleaning the car pre-wrap, and oh my gosh, this stuff makes crazy bubbles. Just for the sake of time, I'm not going to film the car wash montage like I usually do. If you're interested in this Shine Armor soap, definitely go check out my video posted on the channel. Alright, the car is absolutely spotless, as you can see. I'm going to give it a little bit to cool down here because it is pretty warm from sitting out in the sun before I give it a quick spray waxing. And in the meantime, I'm going to fix two things really quick. First being the license plate, which is currently just adhesived on because the mount broke. So I have a new mount and a new frame. I might wrap the frame to match the color of the car, we'll see. And then the other thing I have to fix, one of the headlight washers. It must have been slightly misaligned because I used them and it deployed, sprayed, and then when it went to go back in, I think it pulled itself off. So I have to pull off the front bumper here and re-adhesive that. So I'll check in with you guys when I have those two things done and the car spray waxed. Install our new rear lip. I am going to avoid spray waxing this area because we're just going to be wiping it down with isopropyl alcohol, but I'll see you guys in a few. Well, that quickly turned into full detailing of the car. I wiped her down with Meguiar's hybrid ceramic detailer. Did the wheels as well, got her nice and clean. Also did a little bit of the interior. Spent a little more time on that than I should have, but the car's nice and clean now. But we can finally get to installing our lip spoiler, which has been patiently waiting in this box. Pull it out and take a look. Ooh, damn. Guys, this thing is sweet. So here we've got the carbon fiber PSM style rear lip from Keys Motorsports. Really, really aggressive. This is a lot bigger than the little lip spoiler I had on my E90. I'm super stoked to install it. The carbon fiber has really nice depth to it. It's really nice quality. Got a little adhesive from the tape I gotta get off right there. But put down the bubble wrap so we can put this face down safely. We're gonna clean off the bottom here, take off any stickers, clean it off with isopropyl alcohol, and then we're gonna apply our 3M extreme mounting tape. Alright, so I got this all covered 3M extreme mounting tape here, and I was making some really crude cuts, like pulling the adhesive and like trying not to hit the carbon edge here, but then I was like, oh, we're never even gonna see this bottom edge right here. So you can just run your blade very carefully on the bottom edge that's gonna be sitting on the car. The bottom face, I should say, and run it right along that face, and you don't really have to worry about anything. Yes, it's gonna scratch the finish on the bottom face, but you're never gonna see that. So if you're using thicker 1-inch tape like me and you need to trim, you can do that. Now, the best way I found to install in the car, quick note, it's not actually attached, it's sitting on the car right now. But you're gonna wanna get it into position with the same amount of excess on either side. Excess like trunk lid, if you will. But get her into position where you're comfortable with it. Grab yourself some masking tape. And we're gonna make two or three hinges with some masking tape. Just a piece here, a piece in the middle, and a piece right here. We can then fold the lip up, pull off the adhesive backing, heat it up with a heat gun, and press it down into place. And just like that, after pressing down for a minute or so, got ourselves a sweet high kick PSM style rear spoiler lip. Thing looks awesome. Definitely makes the rear end look a lot more aggressive. Gives it that like Batmobile kind of look. Absolutely love it. I think it complements this little chin I left exposed. I think it complements that really nicely. I'm gonna pull this thing outside, let it bake in the sun, press down a little more to make sure it's secured, and get some rolling shots of it. Well guys, there's the PSM carbon fiber spoiler from Keys Motorsports. Thing looks absolutely awesome. Makes the rear end look so much more aggressive. I really needed that. Love the way it looks. Car was definitely missing something before, but that's gonna wrap up this video. I do have a delivery in a couple minutes, so I gotta get the car out of the middle of the driveway, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go leave a like down below. Leave suggestions for future videos in the comments. Subscribe for more BMW content. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time on JD Cars.